Norman there?
Uh-huh, just a minute.
Thank you.
Hello?
Norman?
Yes.
I was told to call you. Are you Norman Taylor?
Yes, I am.
And you found a bird?
Yes, I did.
Oh, thank you, Norman. Hello.
Yes?
Is the bird there now?
What? Yes, we have a bird.
Is it green?
Uh-huh.
It's got a band on?
Yes, what was the number of the band on your bird?
Oh, I don't know what to say. Oh, you have my bird.
What's the number on...
Mr. Taylor. Hello.
Yes?
Excuse me, Mr. Taylor. Hello, Norman.
Yes?
I was giving your name when they heard at the place with my bird.
What's the number on the band?
Wait, would you hold on a second, Mr. Taylor? Hello?
Yes?
Would you hold on just a minute? Let me wipe my face.
Just a second. Never mind.
Hello?
Yes?
I'm all right now. Where'd you find the bird?
Well, it flew up to our house, but I don't think it's your bird. We have someone that's already found, had lost a green bird also, and they have, they said their number, the number on the band of their bird is the same as on this bird, so I'm afraid...
What number did they give you?
What? My mother has a number. I'm not sure what it was, but it corresponded, and they're coming to pick it up. So I'm afraid it isn't your bird.
Oh, it is my bird.
Well, they have the band number, and they say it's their bird. And the people they bought it from a dealer that kept track of it in their records, so they have absolute proof that the bird is theirs, so I'm sorry.
Oh, then it's not my bird.
I'm afraid not.
Does it have a tattoo?
No.
Hello?
No tattoo.
Oh. Oh, Norman.
I'm sorry, you may be able to find something by looking in the paper.
Oh, you don't know what you just did to me, Norman. I thought it was my bird.
I'm sorry, these people are...
Was it a 5 serial number on the band?
I'm not sure.
Oh, Norman.
My mother knows about those.
Oh, your mother. Oh, Norman. Can I send you something?
No, we're perfectly all right.
Just to thank you for it.
Oh, no, please don't, Father.
Oh, thank you anyhow, Norman. Thank you, Norman. I'll call you again, Norman.
Bye.
Goodbye.